Here's a 2016 Ford Explorer. The adventure starts where the pavement stops in this capable SUV. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. EcoBoost engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, Sync with My Ford external memory control, trailer hitch receiver, remote engine start, and LED low beam headlights. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.